back with the Tucson sequential DRLs, and after having these on my car for about a week and a half, I just can't go back to this original style here, because these DRLs I got now are just dominant compared to this old school style. It's just ancient now because you got this aftermarket DRL. So let's get to the install. LZGD's back again. We got the harness here. You got one side that's going to connect to the LH DRL, and then the wire on the other side is going to connect to the RH DRL, and you'll be left after that with the raw bundle of wires that we're going to deal with at the end here. So you got to remove this garnish here, just a little bit of it, so a couple push pins, 3 push pins of Phillips, and you got to reach your hand in to pull the wire through. You see that there? So the wire is going to come through that part of the wheel well, then go up. But you could plan this another way. I'm just showing you how I did it, and a very easy way to do it. You see the wires will come through like that, and then I'm going to send them up into the engine bay. So Jeremiah Harrison, thanks for your comment in my last video. You're absolutely right. I don't know what this vent is, but it will cover it up. This vent here. Let me know if you know what this vent is. So right here is where your light will go, and it'll completely cover up the vent. So bye-bye vent. I don't know what you were for, but you're not going to be there now. You just remove the backing for the 3M tape and clip it in there. It fits perfect. When you put it in, just try to hold it towards the headlights so it doesn't stick right away, and you can sort of get it in its spot before it sticks. But it snaps right in there, easy to do. Just like that. The LZGD box, I'm going to tuck it right in underneath where it's sitting right now. Just going to take out these 4 push pins and lift up the shroud and put it right underneath there. It's a good storage compartment if you want to hide anything. Right there, that's my ground. That's where I put the black wire. Do you see there's a couple studs there for the front bumper? I just put a nut on one of the studs and used it as a ground. You see it's right by the air filter. There's a beam there. See, there's one stud on that side, and then there's another stud there that I put the nut on for my ground. So that's where the black wire goes, and then now you're going to be left with 3 wires. But I wanted to show you guys, check this light out here. It says check turn signal, because I disconnected my harness. So it's displaying a light, and it has the orange triangle on the dash above the fuel gauge. So the wiring, you've seen the black ground, and I'll just show you here again, right from the front of the car, looking right down there on the left side. You can use either stud. I forget what size the bolt is, but it took me a while to find something that would fit on there. It's a good ground, very good ground. And now here's the rest of the wires, guys. Check this out, because now you're gonna know that the yellow just goes to the yellow, the white goes to the white, and the red wire goes to the red. Who would have guessed? Okay guys, I know I missed a lot, but the most important thing is where I grounded the connection. Gotta have a good ground. Yellow to yellow, white to white, red to red. There's 2 red wires. Use the one on top beside the white. Alright, hope this helped you out. I highly recommend these lights. They look good, reliable, working amazing. Check them out. I'll post the link below, and it's real simple, guys. If you wire it like I did in this video, then when you start your car, DRLs will be white with your DRLs. Put on your signal, you get your sequential amber, and it goes back to white. Then when you turn on your headlights, it goes blue. Alright guys, take care of your Tucson. I got some sidestep lights coming soon. See you then.